The diagram represents some of the energy levels of the mercury atom. Photons are emitted by electron transitions between the levels. On the diagram, draw arrows to represent the transition for those energy levels that gives rise to the longest wavelength and the shortest wavelength, right? So this is, of course, this is on, by the way, page 8 of your data packet on the top, right? They've got this thing. We've been doing this for a while, right? So the question is, there's, you want to look up here. It's going to be there's going to be a transition that gives rise to the least amount of energy given off, and a transition that gives off the most energy, right? What's the relationship between energy and wavelength, right? So look at that. Think about that, right? One of those will give rise to the shortest wavelength. One will give rise to the longest wavelength. This, by the way, is not one of them, right? But here, this would be a transition, right? We're going from this to this. Okay, but there are transitions here from one of these lines to another line that give rise to more than that, and like, for example, this is more. Okay, but it's not the most. This is not the answer, right? Okay, but this one's more than this one, right? So find the transition that gives you the most energy and the one that gives you the least energy. Then decide whether that wavelength is, well, shorter or longer. Now, if you can't figure it out, actually calculate it. All right.